In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use ClickUp for KPI tracking. First, sign into your ClickUp account and head straight to My Workspace. This is your command center where everything you have access to lives. From here, open the project where you want to track your KPIs. Keeping your KPI tracking inside the right project ensures it's visible to the right teammates and stays connected to related work. With your project open, look for the plus icon. Click that to add something new. Instead of building from scratch, we'll save time by using a ready-made setup. Choose templates. Templates in ClickUp come with pre-built fields, views, and example items, so your structure is consistent every time you spin up a KPI list. In the template library, select KPI. This template is designed specifically for measurable goals and results, so you start with a sensible structure. Click Use Template to begin applying it. A quick tip here, using a standard template makes reporting easier later because every list shares the same fields and views. You'll be prompted to name your new list. Type a clear, specific name that reflects the time frame and team, like Q1 Sales KPIs or Marketing KPIs 2025. Clear names make filtering and cross-project reporting much easier. When you're happy with the name, click Use Template again to confirm and create the list inside your project. Once the list is created, open the item labeled Departmental OKR. This is a helpful example showing how objectives and key results are structured. Use it as a reference for how your own KPIs might roll up under an objective and how descriptions, owners, and due dates support accountability and clarity. Now switch to the progress view. This gives you a quick read on how far along each objective or key result is. It's perfect for weekly updates and leadership syncs. Make sure your tasks have clear owners and due dates so the progress you see reflects reality and not just placeholders. Next, jump into the timeline view. Here you'll see the scheduling aspect of your KPIs, what's starting, what's due, and how initiatives overlap. This is great for spotting bandwidth issues and ensuring key milestones don't collide. Then open the board view. This visualizes your KPIs and work items by status, so you can see what's planned, in progress, and done at a glance. It's especially useful during stand-ups or when you want to highlight blocked items. Finally, click the View menu to manage and switch between views quickly. Use it to keep the most useful perspectives front and center. And that's it. Your KPI tracking in ClickUp is set up, structured, and ready to drive outcomes.